guys! Good morning! So, sino ba ang hindi pa alam kung ano ito? Of course, this is taho, guys. One of the most traditional breakfast. Very affordable in all around in the Philippines. Wherever you go, mabibili mo to. So, ito ay soya bean mixed with para siyang may sago-sago. And it tastes good, guys. Especially sa mga bata. Sa school, marami nagtitinda nito everywhere. So, yeah. Ngayon lang ako ulit bumili nito kasi it's been a while na hindi ako kumain ito. Last time na kumain ako nito, I think last month, nandun pa sa work ko. Nung papasok pa lang ako. So, this is only 10 pesos, guys. It tastes good. That's so sweet. Kung gusto mong tamis, padagdagan mo siya ng yung parang, ito lang tawag doon. Gusto yung matamis? At sukal ba yun? Yun na yun. Have a good day, guys. Nahirapan akong nguyain, sobrang lambot. And yung sago niya, para siyang dulas-dulas. ₱10 is not bad. Worth it. Meron itong 5 pesos, 10 pesos. Yung iba may flavor strawberry. Sa Tagaytay, makakabili ka ng ganon. Okay naman siya, but still bet ko yung original. So yeah, that's it. Wala. Pinakita ko lang. So anyway, guys, wherever you are, have a good day, have a good evening, good morning, wherever you are. So, shout out to all my followers, to all my beloved friends, family, wherever you are right now, and to all the people who know me. Greetings to all of you. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin, basta sa lahat ng mga nakakilala sa akin. I hope all of you guys is happy and ingat kayong lahat palagi. Bye, guys!